Hi, awesome ones. And yes, even though I changed my handle to Loving Our Age, you're still the awesome ones. So there you go. All right, so today I have a great tutorial for you, and it's 7 mistakes that women make over 50 with their jeans. Now, this is assuming that you are a more mature woman and that you're not super skinny. So let's start with mistake number 1, and that's all about buying a really inexpensive, cheaper pair of stretchy jeans that are, well, not well made. Now, I know many of you are watching your money, but a cheap pair of not well-made stretchy jeans is like throwing your money away. This is a pair that I bought a while ago that I thought were a real deal. And as you can see, my knees have stretched out and it's just now an uneven mess. Better to invest in a brand with a superior stretch. And I'll talk about the NYDJ jeans in just a moment. But just think about all the times you wear your jeans and how many years you want your investment to last. If you're like me, you'll want your jeans to look new and not all bent out of shape. Now, I'll have most of the after jeans that I like underneath the video description and also in the comments, and I'm going to put some links to some of the tops there as well. But let's talk about a couple of brands that I really do like. Now, you know I love the Lee, these are called sculpting jeans, and they're only about $35, and they have really good stretch in them. Also a little bit of a panel here to bring your tummy in. But what I found is my new favorites are the I'll just get these together, the NYDJ jeans. And what I like about them, here I am, I like the fact that they look like a pair of jeans. They also have a built-in tummy control here. There's a panel there, and it has premium stretch. And I love them. They're like yoga pants. They're so comfortable, and I guess you can see here that it's a nice, soft kind of material, and they come in all different kinds of washes, including white as well. And the last time I checked, a lot of these were on sale for about 41% off, and you can find those at Amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50 in the pants and jeans section. So NYDJ stands for Not Your Daughter's Jeans, and they really are what I call a good investment. And next, let's talk about wearing our jeans with different kinds of shoes and having the wrong length. In other words, we got the pants dragging on the ground. Nothing ruins an outfit more than pants dragging, especially when shorter styles are trending. Not only does it look bad, but you're going to wear out the bottom of those pants. Better to go with a higher length, and what I love about these NYDJ Sherry Slim style jeans is that you can roll up the hem and go from long to shorter in seconds. So I can wear my heels and then the next day my sneakers, and it's like having 2 jeans in one. And while we're talking about pants dragging on the ground, let's talk about the next mistake, number 3, and that is not getting the right fit. Now, you can always order your jeans online, and if you buy them from Amazon, the jeans that I just mentioned, like Lee and NYDJ, you can send them back if they don't fit. But let me save you a little bit of time here, because what you should be doing is measuring yourself, your inseam, your waist, etc. And then what you're going to do is you're going to look, almost every item, not just jeans, has a size chart. And you're going to make sure that you get as close to that manufacturer's size chart as possible. Oh, and another thing, Lee and NYDJ, they have short or petite, they have regular, and they also have tall, so yay! They really covered the gamut there. All right, so let's talk about mistake number 4. What's trending right now are wide leg pants, but wow, you really have to style them right to wear them properly. Let's take a look. So I bought a pair of stretchy wide jeans by NYDJ in the Teresa style, and I love to look trendy, but styling these is so important. If you wear a baggy top over these, you're going to look huge. Here, I tucked in the fitted shirt and it looks much better. I'm also not wearing a belt because I don't want to cut myself off at the waist. And by the way, the denim on denim look is trending. And by the way, if you like videos like these made by a woman who's not in her 20s and certainly not a size 0, I would love for you to subscribe. There's a button down there somewhere, and don't forget to click on the notification bell. All right, mistake number 5. We're going to talk about skinny jeans. No, say it ain't so. Well, this mistake of the skinny jeans has the answer of yes and no. If your idea of a skinny jeans were like jeggings that you had to lie on the bed to zip up, then yes, those ones are out. Anyway, these are out of style, but I don't know about you, but I could barely sit down in those jeggings. Instead, we have a skimming jean now. That's trending, like this pair of Sherry Slims from NYDJ. They don't look like they're binding you, and yet they have that slimming effect, and these jeans feel like I'm wearing a pair of yoga pants. And don't forget to stay until the end of the video where I'm going to have another inspirational message for you. And hey, if you're asking yourself, you know what, how do I gain more confidence at my age now? Well, as I think I mentioned to you before, I've got a great new course. It's like a masterclass that I created, and you can find it at lovingourage.com/ageless transformation. There's all kinds of brand new tutorials. It's step-by-step on skincare, hair care, makeup, and of course fashion. But anyway, let's get on with the video and the next mistake. So the next mistake is just wearing your dark blue denims all the time. And well, I mean, I was staying away from this, but the lighter wash is really trending right now. So don't be afraid to wear it. You just have to style it a little bit better. Make sure you don't have the baggy, tops over top. But again, this is from NYDJ, and the color is Bicknell, and I'm really loving it. They also have, of course, darker styles and that sort of thing. But talking about color, the thing about denim, it is so long wearing, and it's one of those things that you have in your wardrobe for a long time. So don't be afraid to maybe pick up a pair of black jeans, or maybe these are the Lee's, oops, there you go. These are the Lee slim leg jeans in the brown, and of course, don't forget to buy a pair of white jeans, especially if yours are all kind of yellowed and grayed now. And yes, you can wear white after Labor Day. Google it and find out why it was even put in the first place, and I think it'll convince you that you can wear white after Labor Day. So the next mistake is a style that really throws your figure all off. They're capris. And any pant or jean that cuts you off at the widest part of your thigh is going to make you look off. Better to roll up those Sherry Slims or Lee sculpting jeans. And that little bit of leg will not make much of a difference if you think that capris are, a lot cooler in the warmer weather. Another alternative to capris is a skirt. And I love this stretchy pencil skirt. Or alternatively, you can always wear a skirt in the summer, and that's my go-to. Now, just a few years ago, there were articles that were, no women should wear jeans after 50, and that's simply not true. Hey, maybe if you've got, a size 0, or you really like wearing those low-cut kind of low-rise jeans with your belly button pierced, maybe you might look like you're trying a little bit too hard. But today, the manufacturers are all on board for us, and they're making jeans just for our age group. And you know what? I I can see myself in my 90s still wearing jeans. And if you haven't jumped on the premium stretch or the tummy tuck technology for jeans, I really don't think you know what you're missing, because these are not the mom jeans that we wore decades ago. They really do kind of tuck you in a little bit, and they're slimming. It's time we put aside those black trousers that a lot of women over 50 love to wear and wear more jeans. You know, you can dress them up and have them look like a bit of a classy look, or you can dress them down for a day of fun. I truly think that jeans, they should be a little bit more of a go-to for us. I mean, every time I put mine on, I just feel more youthful. I feel like, you know what? I'm gonna have a day of fun, and they're so comfortable. And again, I can roll a lot of these styles up and put on a pair of Keds, or keep them rolled down and, you know, wear a pair of high ankle boots, whatever I choose. Well, anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video today about jeans, and I think that wearing the jeans, it's just one more way that we can be loving our age. See you later.